Hi, Andarki Namaskaram, Jai Shri Krishna. How are you, everyone? So you join out there ఇప్పుడు 2 minutes ఉంది. 2 minutesలో ఏం చేయాలి? అందరితో మాట్లాడాలి. So today I'm gonna talk. Today I'm gonna talk about a very important right now. We are going through a very big time of crisis, and I so want to talk to you guys. It's been long. I'm planning something. Let's talk. I think I thought ఒక ప్లాన్ చేయి తర్వాత చేస్తే బాగుంటుంది. So basically ఈరోజు I'm gonna talk 2-3 stuff. One, we are gonna talk about corona. How to say అందరికీ తెలుసు, you have to wear a mask, you have to sanitize your hand, but it's second wave లో situation చాలా critical అయింది. Like so fast, it's spreading so fast, and people are literally getting panic. So please don't get panic. First, if it is possible, wear 2 layer of mask. One normal mask, एक नॉर्मल मास्क पहने, सर्जिकल मास्क के ऊपर एक कॉटन मास्क भी डाल सकते हो, क्योंकि सर्जिकल मास्क 57% बैक्टीरिया से आपको बचा सकता है. एंड इफ आर यू वेयरिंग अनदर कॉटन मास्क विच विल इंक्रीज विद 71 to 72% तक आप सेफ हो. सो सिर्फ सर्जिकल मास्क इज नॉट अ गुड आइडिया. सो वेयर अ मास्क, वॉश योर हैंड. If it is necessary, then only go out. Even if you go out, just finish your work, come back home, take a shower or wash your hand and come back. If it is not important, don't meet so many people. I think I am going out for only those things where I know there is not so many people. So please take care of yourself, because you don't know which person is infected, and from that you will get an infection. If I'll talk about myself, so yeah, I do wear 2 layers of mask whenever I go out, even if I'm going to buy some stuff or going for a walk. So I'm always preparing myself to with the 2 mask on. दूसरी बात है प्लाज्मा. आप अगर कोरोना से लड़ चुके हो, अगर आपको कोरोना हो चुका है, तो आप किसी और की जान बचा सकते हो. प्लीज़ प्लीज़ प्लीज़, इफ़ यू आर हेल्दी इनफ, अगर आपका हीमोग्लोबिन 11% से ज़्यादा है, आप प्लाज्मा डोनर बन सकते हो और आप किसी की जान बचाने के लिए एक हेल्पिंग हैंड बन सकते हो. सो गाइस, दिस इज़ अ वेरी 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 इम्पॉर्टेंट थिंग. आपका प्लाज्मा डोनेट करना कितना इम्पॉर्टेंट है, प्लीज़ अंडरस्टैंड. Now, like I was also a few days, if I talk about few days back, I don't know what is the meaning of plasma. So just for knowledge, I like to share with you all. Plasma अपने ब्लड के अंदर का एक येलो लिक्विड रहता है. ब्लड के अंदर येलो पानी जैसा होता है वो. दैट येलो लिक्विड में 90% जस्ट वाटर एंड 10% इट्स मैजिक पावर. आई मस्ट से एंटीबॉडी जिसको बोलते हैं, दैट विल एक्चुअली, अगर आप वो किसी को डोनेट करते हो तो किसी की लाइफ बच सकती है. अनदर थिंग विच आई विल लाइक टू मेंशन, अगर आपने वैक्सीनेशन ऑलरेडी ले लिया है कोरोना के बाद, तो आप डोनेट नहीं कर सकते हो. अगर आप ने ऑलरेडी बेबी, मतलब यू आर अ मदर और यू आर ऑलरेडी प्रेग्नेंट, देन डेफिनेटली यू कैन नॉट डोनेट प्लाज्मा. सो ऑलरेडी प्लाज्मा के रिक्वायरमेंट बहुत ज़्यादा लोगों से आ रही है. मतलब सो मेनी पीपल्स रिक्वायर्ड प्लाज्मा. प्लीज़ डोनेट. देयर सो मेनी पीपल इज़ कमिंग इन द फ्रंट एंड मेकिंग अवेयरनेस. टच वुड, इन माई फैमिली and my close friends, we are not yet positive. We are safe because we are not getting out of that our zone. So please guys, take care of yourself, because you don't know this corona from where it will come and what it will happen. So this was the corona and plasma thing. So there's so many state has declared lockdown, like curfew. So in Ahmedabad we are having curfew for a long time. Like before it was 8 o'clock to morning, before it was 9 o'clock to morning 6. Now it's 8 o'clock in the night from morning 6. I think in Hyderabad it started few days back, which is 9 o'clock to morning 5 or 6, right? So make sure if you can help some people, please help them, because and one more thing, agar if you take a vaccine right now, then you can normally also do not donate, you cannot donate your blood. So if you didn't took a vaccine yet, आप blood भी donate कर सकते हो, because there are so many people require blood. So this was which I want to say, guys. Please take care. Bombay is going through a very very tough time, and Chennai has a lockdown. Ahmedabad lo ee roj nunchi there's saloon is services off. There's no pan parlor or there's no tea stall. Nothing is open. So I think you should have to take care of yourself. So please do that. One. And second, I like to mention about my birthday. There's so many people has started 1 month before, like happy birthday Monal Gajjar, happy birthday Monal Gajjar, 16 days to go, 15 days to go, 25 days to go, 30 days to go. Guys, it's my request, please, if you want to do something on my birthday, if you want to plan something, I want you to gift me something which everybody can. So from repu nunchi, save 1 or 2 rupees aside. Put a 1 or 2 rupees aside every day. 1 rupees or 2 rupees. I think 16 days left or 15 days, whatever. So you probably save 30 rupees. Okay, what you can do this, you can buy some banana, or you can buy 1 kg of wheat flour, or you can just give it to somebody who can have food. You can give it to somebody who's your neighbor or comes next to your home for a food, or some people always ask for money. You can feed them. You can literally give them a meal. I want you all to do this. నా బర్త్డేనో ఒక చిన్న రిక్వెస్ట్ అంటే అందరికీ ఒక మీల్ ఇవ్వాలి. ఒక మీల్ అంటే యూ కెన్ గివ్ బనానా, యూ కెన్ గివ్, యూ కెన్ మేక్ అమ్మ కుక్ చేస్తే యూ కెన్ సే మమ్మ కొంచెం ఎక్కువ సాంబార్ రైస్ పెట్టండి ఈరోజు. గివ్ సంబడి లైక్ ఓల్డ్ మ్యాన్తో ఆర్ ఎనీబడి who's nearby. And again, don't come in the contact literally when you are even going. Wear a hand gloves, wear a mask or something, and just give it. One person. I think right now ఇప్పుడు almost 3,000 people is watching us, almost 3,000. So అందరికీ ఒకటి రిక్వెస్ట్ అంటే, if 3,000 people will serve one person, only one person food, one person to ఒక meal ఇస్తే బాగుంటుంది. Because I think we have to be prepared for another lockdown. You never know what will happen. So let's do good thing. Let's not spend money on cake. Let's not spend money on flowers. Just let's feed somebody who need a food. Okay, we are so blessed. We have everything. Like I have good family, I have good house, I have a good car, I have good people like you all. So let's ee roju nunchi oka promise cheyandi. You all will feed one person, one people, please, one people ne feed cheste I will be very happy. So on my birthday, ee roju nunchi or repu nunchi, start saving 1 rupees or 2 rupees adi chalu. Okay, I'm saying 1 or 2 rupees only, no more than 1 2 rupees. We're gonna give a meal to one person and one person will eat. This will be a really really great help for andarki, and let's make a world a better place. I think this is so very very important. So I want to talk about this long time back. I want you to plan 1 month before, so it will be somewhere 30 rupees you can plan, but now still it's not late. I'm still 15 days early, so we can at least save 15 rupees if you're saving 1 rupees in a day. So who all are ready to save tomorrow nunchi 1 rupees or 2 rupees for me? Whoever is ready, send me a red heart. Oh sorry, ग्रीन हार्ट. ग्रीन मतलब यस कदा. सो ग्रीन हार्ट, सेंड मी अ ग्रीन हार्ट. मुझे ग्रीन हार्ट भेजे. if you are be with me, if you want to celebrate my birthday with me, we're gonna feed one person. It's a promise. This promise, you have to send me a one green heart, and once you will send me this big green heart, I will understand you are with me. So hi, and I'm expecting your so many green heart so we can feed so many people. So Monal Gajjar _ Queen has sent me a green heart. Oh, Mayank, right? Mayank Pandey sent me a green heart. Chana, thank you. Thank you, Karan Kanpura. Thank you, Jainiku. Thank you. Mauni, thank you so much. Navya, Juno, thank you so much. Call me Kishi. Oh my God. Rama Devi, thank you so much. Rama Devi, I got your messages. Thank you so much. Supriya, Rowdy Pilla, thank you. So, Pravina Viru, thank you so much. Andarki okate request. Green heart. It's gonna be a symbol for we are helping people. We are taking care of one person for a one-day meal. You just tell mama to make one person food extra, and we can feed a neighbor also. We can feed anybody. So Bangaram 143, thank you so much for so many hearts. So I consider this one green heart as one meal for me. From my side, you all are ready to feed one person. I am super happy. Jagannath, thank you so much. Thank you so much, Riddhi. Nikita, thank you. Bhaskar Rao, thank you. Oh my God. Oh my God, you people are so nice. The Srinu is sending me lavender hearts. So Srinu, lavender heart ante enti? Yes or no? Em cheptunnaru? Okay. Thank you so much, Monica. Thank you. Love you, honey ba. Thank you so much. So Andarki, thank you so much for this, and I want you all, whoever is recording this live, I will like to request you all, please ఈ మెసేజ్ అందరికీ షేర్ చేయండి. ఆల్ గ్రూప్లో, అకినల్ గ్రూప్లో, సోకినల్ గ్రూప్లో, శామ్లో, మాస్లో, మోనలియన్స్, అందరూ ఒక్కటే అయి వీ హ్యావ్ టు feed everybody. So there is no difference with anybody. So naku okate, I believe in only one thing. If I love you all, you love me with whole heart. Okay, so if you love somebody and if you really want to do something for somebody, from tomorrow on, start saving 1 rupees. 1 rupees or 2 rupees, not more than 2 rupees. 2 rupees chalo, and everybody can afford this money. And let's celebrate my birthday with me. And one more thing I would like to say, when you are sharing your meal with somebody, you can say Jai Shri Krishna to that person, have a selfie, you can make a story, and I will tag you on my page. I will put you on my story. Share with me. You can share in any of Monal Gajjar fan pages. They will definitely share with me. I'll share the story on my platform. And thank you so much, everybody, for so much love. Thank you so much. So thank you so much. Kukum Murlugar, hi. Crime caption, hello, hi. Oh my God, Nalini Kola, hi, how are you? I keep seeing your message in group. Thank you so much. I'm a very big fan of Srinu. Rajam is saying. Shravanti, hi Shravanti. Hi. Hello Shri Monica SM, hi. When you will take a video. So my point is like, see, whatever, okay, my thing is one, normally if I am I doing something or donating something or whatever I'm doing, I don't share on social media because I feel that is my personal part, which is I'm doing for my good karmas. If you want to share with me, it will be good. If you don't want to share with me, that is also fine. You can just share a green heart, okay? And once you share me a good green heart, I will understand you all had made that promise with me today and you are fulfilling it, and I will be super happy. And on my birthday also, I will try to go live and talk to you all. I don't know what will happen tomorrow, but I will definitely make sure things go really, really well. Yes, I'm traveling to Hyderabad day after tomorrow. Jai Shri Krishna. Hi, ma'am. My mother is a very big fan of you. Killer Reddy. Hi. Thank you so much, Killer Reddy. Jai Shri Krishna to your mother. Die Hard game of you, ma'am. Thala Uday. Hi, Uday. Hi, Jewelry Mania. Purohit Bharat Bhai. Love. Okay. Hi. Hello. Hello. Sanjay Kotru. Hi. I am in Ahmedabad. I'm in my hometown. Okay. Vinil. Hi, Vinil. Kirti. Thank you so much. Thank you so much for a green heart. So much love. Pujita, hello, hi. Hi, Jai Shri Krishna. So this basic stuff you have to take care of it. Yeah, in my family, my mother and my grandma both had a vaccine, so they are safe. And from 28 nunchi, this about 18 will start. So after first probably I will also take my vaccine. So have a vaccine, be safe. Soapy Reddy, hi Soapy Reddy. Hi Padma, hi. Akhil bro to live. I don't know Akhil bro ikkada unnaru ledu or busy ga unnaru teledu. Jay XO is saying anta makeup. Yeah Jay, I love makeup. What's your favorite color? My favorite color is yellow, blue, all the bright colors, orange. I like that. Purohit Bharatbhai is smiling. Nivedika, hi. Rashmi, hello. Hi Isha. Hi, hello. Jai Shri Krishna. Rocky Rao, hello. And so if it's the time to take some questions. So as of what all I know about a vaccine is the simple thing. The ratio is pretty big if you are taking a vaccine. COVID chances are very, very less. Even if you're getting a corona or COVID-19, so your body is ready to fight with it. So I think without vaccine effect chala ఎక్కువ అవుతుంది, and after vaccines కొంచెం your body is ready to your body is having this what you say anti-fight bacteria in your body to fight. నాకు ఇంత scientific language రాదు, but I'm trying my best to explain in my way. So what about MMK? Nazi Cutie is asking. I miss my MMK. I miss my power girls, Mansi, Mayuri and Kesvi. I love her so much. And of course Priyanka. I miss them. But life is all about to go ahead, and I wish them a beautiful, beautiful future. And I know next year they'll come up with something really, really strong in Dance Plus 2. Wish for it. Okay. How to be a positive when how to be positive when very important people left you. I think in your life you have to make your priorities set. You have to make your priority set, like who is important for me. For me, my family, my mom, my nani, my Himali, my Mickey, and my best friends. Like very few people's, like it's like handful people are very, very important in my life, and I will make sure they matter a lot for me, not outside people. And when, like, imagine when I lost my father, that was the very, very low time for me. But then I realized something. I have to be more mature. If my father is there, how they will think and how they will make a step. So I think you have to think in a broader way before making a decision, and do things which makes you happy. Like I today, before this live and before I went to go for a walk, I put headphone on and Allegra, 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 Allegra. I was dancing and my nanny was watching. My nanny was watching like what she is doing, like because she was not able to hear. I was wearing AirPods, so I only can hear. So this is my way of cheering myself up. So you can find your own activity which makes you to do things like, let's go ahead, it's okay, this is the time always change, good or bad. So believe in yourself. Okay, so the next question we are going. Manasa Tuma is saying, hey Monal Didi, a big fan of you and your nanny. Oh, she is very, very sweet. Yesterday she also took a vaccine, so she is little bit dull because that my mama also having a little bit hand pain. Akhil Ocharu. నో రాలేదు ఇప్పుడు. అఖిల్ వస్తే ప్లీజ్ ఇన్ఫార్మ్ చేయండి, నాకు తెలీదు అందుకనే. ఓకే, Saranya is saying give suggestion when people are suffering from corona. I said basically corona which breaks your immunity first, and you are in isolations. Try to read good things, try to listen good stuff. Podcast, you can listen to nice podcasts. There's so many podcasts which will inspire you. There's a podcast which will make you laugh. You can decide what kind of genre you like to go for, and you can make a productive list what you want to do in your life, because you have so much time with your own self. Nobody's going to disturb you. So take things in a positive way, eat good, have a medicine on a time, drink juices or fruits which will help to improve your immunity, like turmeric milk or something. And of course, before taking anything, consult your doctor, because which is very, very important. I'm not a doctor, but still, like dadi maa ka nuska I know. Okay, so my birthday is 13 May, and 13 May you have to feed one person, and if you're feeding one person, give me a green heart. So green heart means you are in. Hi Zamir, hi Ritu Reddy. Vamsi Krishna is saying, ma'am, I'm a big fan of you. Thank you so much, Vamsi Krishna. Hi Vishal. Hi Vishal Kanoja, Jai Shri Krishna, kem cho? Monal Gajjar Suicide Squad, super. I'm a big fan of you. Hi Shrivant, hi Lavanya Reddy, hi. Okay, Vaishali, hi Vaishali, thank you so much for joining me with the green heart. Okay. Nikki Ralach is saying you're so cute. Oh, thank you so much. Okay, Ramya Reddy, hi. Harika ఎలా ఉంది? హారిక బాగుంది. అంటే లాస్ట్ అక్క సన్స్ బర్త్డే, జున్నూస్ బర్త్డేలో కలిసిదేవా. ఇప్పుడు ఒకసారి తనతో మాట్లాడతాం. నార్మలీ నోయల్స్, ఐ డిడ్ టాక్ టు నోయల్ వన్స్. యా. Who is the best dancer in Dance Plus, Didi? I think everybody is good. Like Jia is very good, Sanket is good. Then Darjeeling Devils are really, really good. Nivedita is Fadu. I think whoever is right now, they are all the good contestants. That's why they survived. And of course the time, which is very, very important. Sometime even you are a very good dancer and you just stuck on the stage and you don't know what to do. So I think time also matter. Call me Simply Vamsi has sent me so many green heart. Thank you. Hi, call me Simply Vamsi. Hello. Angel Satya, hi. Jai Shri Krishna. Akhil Sarthak ikkade ledu baba. Akhil ikkade auste definitely then I will take him. Okay, Kirti Sharma is asking, you don't know dance, then why you are in the judge? Okay, 1 minute. Okay. So, see, I'll tell you something. Being an actor, I know how to dance, but we need a practice. We are not on the stage like I'm not a dancer, I'm an actor. So, in actor, it's a part of our profession. Dancing is one of the part of our professions, and we know that. I'm not a professional dancer. I didn't took any basic training for any classical or western. I know my garba very well, and I know basic dance. If I do practice, I'll definitely get it. So definitely, that's why I think Naku, I am an actor and I am in a dance plus. I think that is a plus. I don't need to be a dancer. If I am a dancer, then I be dancing on the stage. So that's the difference there. Okay, and Vinay Vinnu 834, somebody please teach him some nice how to talk. That's why I pin him, so people should know how respectful you talk. Yeah. Hi, hello. Hi, Annie. Pettuku by Annie Bada Petkunan. I don't get affected by these people because I know I don't give that much rights to anybody to affect me. Only my own people can hurt me. The stranger who's messaging me like this, they can't affect me. They are showing their upbringing basically. Hi, hello, hi Satya 955, hello. Oh my god, he sent me a green heart and green plant. Can we see you in more Tamil films? I will definitely try. If I'm getting really good offers, then definitely I will sign some good movies also. Telugu Abbai Gujarati Ammai shoot ayinda leda eppudu nunchi ippudu start raaledu because of its pandemic time and the corona second wave start ayindi. Shooting ante chala kashtam. So whatever we are having pending, we have to finish that faster. So about that, we will update you soon. Okay. Mukesh, hello Mukesh. Hi Madhvi. Hi Laliv. So let's go live. Alekya. Okay, there's so many people is coming fast. Thank you so much, Sunan. Hi, Virappa. Hi.
Hello?
I can't see you, dear.
Hello?
I can't see you. I can't see you, dear. So now where are you? I'm in Ahmedabad. Jai Barakar. Hello. Hi, Chintu Sudhir. Hello. Hi, Akshya. Hi, Jai Shri Krishna. Wait, let me try to. Okay, that's my landline. I don't know whether I have this Akhil's number in another phone. I will try to add him. Alekya. Ale. Okay, I don't know. Let me just try to find Akhil if I can. If he's online, then definitely he'll come. Alekya. Ale. Let me send him an invitation. Hi Purnima. Hi. Hello Karthik. Hi Anu Kiwi. Hello. Hi Vilun Ravi. Hello. Hi. Yes, I'm trying to connect Akhil. but I don't think so. He's online, so he can't see this. Yeah, that's the problem. Alexa, Alexa, what do you say? Please do not fire. Yes, I had my dinner today. Himali made a nice Frankie, so I had a Frankie. And so, guys, before I go offline, let me say finally to all of you, lots of love. Jai Shri Krishna. Wear a mask, double mask, one surgical mask, one cotton mask. If you're wearing two masks, this will definitely 70% more than 70%. And when you're wearing a mask, you should always cover from here, this part. Don't touch your face, especially when you remove a mask. Wash your hand properly and then only touch your face. Very, 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 very important this. And on my birthday, I want you to everybody to spread this news. You can talk to your sister, you can talk to your brother, you can talk to your relatives, friends. Andar ki chapandi. From tomorrow onchi, you will save 1 rupees or 2 rupees maximum. It will be 30 or 15 rupees. You can buy some banana, you can buy a meal, your item, but you will help a one person. You will feed one person. I mean, a big banana will actually have a one person meal. So I want you to feed somebody. Okay? So if you can, your amma can make a extra meal, super. If amma, this money to banana, if you can give it to somebody, this is somebody's food. I want you to help somebody. And if you agree with me, send me a green heart with lots of love. Jai Shri Krishna, and take care of yourself. Be home, unnecessary. Don't go outside because you are very, very precious to your family. And if you can actually help others, donate plasma. Okay, plasma kosam, whatever the details you required, which is there on so many sites, I will put on my stories also. So, and so many people ask me, why you putting only for Gujarat or Hyderabad? Whatever the information I am getting it, I am sharing on my page. So please take care of yourself, because you are very, very important for yourself and for your family. Okay, watch your hug Andarki, and Jai Shri Krishna, and be happy, Gandu, and take care of yourself.